Hello, everyone. I'm Yazan Ibrahim, or as some of you might know me, Yazan Abu Ghosh, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be with you today for an exciting learning journey. We're diving into something cutting edge and future focused, the new certification from ISACA called Advanced in AI Audit, or AAIA. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore what this certification is all about, why it's so important, the costs involved, and what it encompasses in terms of content and requirements. So, grab a seat, maybe a pen for some notes, and let's embark on this fascinating adventure. Stay curious and let's learn together. What is the AAIA certification? Let's start from the ground up. The AAIA, or Advanced in AI Audit Certification, is a specialized credential offered by ISACA, a globally recognized leader in IT governance and technology. This certification is designed for professionals in the IT audit field who already hold certifications like CISA, CIA, or CPA and want to demonstrate their expertise in auditing AI-driven processes. In other words, if you're passionate about ensuring that systems powered by artificial intelligence operate correctly, securely, and in compliance with regulations, this certification is your key to unlocking new career doors. Think of it as a modern tool that positions you at the forefront of a rapidly evolving tech landscape. Why is this certification important? Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives, from smartphone apps to massive systems managing corporate operations. But with this advancement comes significant risks, from privacy breaches to biased decisions that can lead to financial or legal fallout. This is where auditors specialized in AI step in. The AAIA certification equips you to evaluate these systems, identify risks, and ensure compliance. According to ISACA, it's the first advanced audit-specific AI certification of its kind, giving you a competitive edge in a job market that increasingly demands cutting-edge skills every day. What does the certification cover? Let's dive into the details. The AAIA certification focuses on three main domains, as outlined in ISACA's exam candidate guide. Each domain covers a specific aspect of AI auditing, and I'll break them down individually to ensure we grasp what each entails. Domain 1, AI governance and risk, 33%. This domain makes up about a third of the exam and centers on managing AI from a governance perspective. You'll learn how to evaluate AI models, understand their requirements, and ensure programs align with leading practices, ethics, and regulations. It also covers risk management related to AI, as well as privacy and data governance programs. Essentially, you'll be equipped to ensure that AI systems don't cause legal or ethical harm to the organization or its users. Domain 2, AI operations, 46%. This is the largest domain, accounting for nearly half of the exam. Here, the focus shifts to the practical aspects of AI, from managing data used in training to developing solutions and their lifecycle. You'll learn how to monitor AI system outputs, test them, and address AI-specific threats and vulnerabilities. It also includes change management and incident response tailored to AI. In short, this section gives you hands-on tools to ensure systems run smoothly and securely. Domain 3, AI auditing tools and techniques, 21%. This final domain covers the remaining portion of the exam and focuses on using tools and techniques to audit AI systems. You'll learn how to plan and design audits, apply testing and sampling methodologies, collect evidence, and analyze data quality. It also covers preparing AI audit reports. This part helps you turn your expertise into tangible, actionable results for organizations. What are the requirements to obtain the certification? To earn the AIA certification, there are specific steps and requirements you need to be aware of. Let's go through them one by one. First, prerequisite certifications. You must hold an active CISA, CIA from IIA or CPA from AICPA certification. These credentials ensure you have the foundational experience in auditing or accounting necessary to specialize in AI. Second, passing the exam. You must pass the AAIA exam within the last 5 years. The exam lasts 2.5 hours, 150 minutes, and consists of 90 multiple choice questions. It's available in English, Simplified Chinese, and Spanish. You need a score of 450 or higher out of 800 to pass. Third, application and fee. After passing the exam, you must pay a $50 application processing fee and submit your certification application within 5 years of passing. The application is submitted online via your ISACA account. Fourth, adherence to professional ethics. You must commit to ISACA's Code of Professional Ethics, which guides the professional and personal conduct of members and certification holders. Fifth, continuing professional education, CPE. Once certified, you're required to complete 10 hours of continuing professional education, CPE, annually in the AI domain, starting the calendar year after certification. These hours can also count toward other ISACA certifications if they meet their requirements. What are the costs associated with the certification? Let's be clear about the costs so you can plan accordingly. There are several fees tied to the AIA certification, and they vary based on whether you're an ISACA member or not. Exam registration fees. If you're an ISACA member, the fee is $459 US. If you are not a member, it's $599 US. These fees are non-refundable and non-transferable, so make sure you're ready to commit before registering. Payment must be completed in full before you can schedule your exam appointment. Application processing fee. Once you've passed the exam, there's an additional fee of $50 to process your certification application. This is a one-time cost to finalize your credential. Potential additional fees. There are a few other costs to keep in mind depending on your situation. If you need to extend your 12-month exam eligibility period, you can purchase a 6-month extension for $75 with a maximum of 2 extensions. If you don't pass the exam on your first try, retaking it costs the same as the initial registration, either $459 or $599 per attempt, depending on membership status, with a limit of 4 attempts within a 12-month period. Lastly, if you request a rescore of your exam results, there's a fee of $75, and this must be requested within 30 days of receiving your results. How do you prepare for the exam? Preparing for the AAIA exam requires a clear plan and dedication. ISACA offers a variety of resources to help you succeed, from group training sessions to self-paced study materials available in multiple languages. The exam focuses on practical knowledge and the application of concepts, so it's not just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding how to apply them. Each of the 90 multiple choice questions has one best answer among 4 options, so my advice is to read each question carefully, eliminate obviously wrong choices, and select the most appropriate response. Time management is key. With 2.5 hours to complete the exam, pace yourself to ensure you can answer every question. There's no penalty for wrong answers, so don't leave any blank. ISACA also provides a tutorial before the exam starts on test day, so pay close attention to it for critical instructions. How do you register and schedule the exam? Registering for the AAIA exam is a straightforward process done online through ISACA's website. First, select the AAIA exam as your target certification. Then log into your ISACA account or create one if you're new. Make sure the name on your account matches the ID you'll present on exam day. Complete the registration process, including payment of the exam fee. Within 48 hours of payment, you'll receive a notification to schedule email with instructions on booking your exam appointment. You can take the exam at a PSI testing center worldwide or opt for a remotely proctored exam from home, provided your device meets compatibility requirements. Your eligibility period to take the exam is 12 months from registration, and you can reschedule without penalty if done at least 48 hours before your appointment. If you need special accommodations, request them during registration and submit the necessary forms at least 4 weeks before your preferred date. What happens on exam day? Whether you're testing at a PSI center or remotely, there are strict rules to follow on exam day to ensure fairness. If you're at a testing center, arrive at least 30 minutes early with a valid government-issued ID that matches your registration name. Personal items like bags, phones, or notes aren't allowed in the testing area and must be stored in a designated spot. For remote proctoring, ensure your workspace is clear of any materials, and you'll need to complete a room scan and mirror check using a webcam or phone to show there are no prohibited items nearby. During the exam, you can't have food, drinks, or visitors, and any form of communication or recording is strictly forbidden. 2 short breaks of up to 10 minutes each are allowed with proctor permission, but the exam timer won't stop. Violating any rules can result in your exam being voided and fees forfeited, so be prepared to follow the guidelines closely as outlined in ISACA's terms of use. What happens after the exam? Once you've completed the exam, you'll see a preliminary pass or fail status on the screen immediately, but you can't take screenshots or photos of the results. Your official score will be emailed and available online within 10 working days via your My ISACA account under Certifications and CPE Management. Scores are reported on a scale from 200 to 800, with 450 or higher needed to pass. If you pass, you'll receive instructions on applying for certification. If you don't pass, you can retake the exam up to 3 more times within 12 months from your first attempt, with waiting periods between retakes, 30 days after the first, then 90 days for subsequent attempts. Each retake requires full payment of the exam fee. You can also provide post-exam feedback via a survey to help improve the testing experience. And if you have concerns about exam administration, contact ISACA support within 48 hours. Why should you pursue this certification? Earning the AAIA certification is a game changer for your career. It's globally recognized and demonstrates to employers that you have the specialized skills to audit AI-driven systems, a field that's only growing in importance. It can boost your earning potential, enhance your credibility, and open doors to promotions or new roles in both private and public sectors. Independent studies consistently rank ISACA certifications among the highest paying and most impactful in IT. Plus, being part of ISACA's community of over 460,000 professionals gives you access to a network, resources, and opportunities to stay ahead in tech governance and innovation. It's not just a credential, it's a stepping stone to leadership in a future shaped by AI. Wrapping up, thank you for joining me on this introductory journey into the AAIA certification from ISACA. This credential is a forward-thinking step for anyone looking to specialize in AI auditing, with clear costs starting at $459 for the exam and requirements including a prerequisite certification and passing the exam. The content focuses on governance, operations, and auditing tools, preparing you to tackle the challenges of modern technology. Continue learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me on this introductory journey into the AAIA certification from ISACA. This credential is a forward-thinking step for anyone looking to specialize in AI auditing, with clear costs starting at $459 for the exam and requirements including a prerequisite certification and passing the exam. The content focuses on governance, operations, and auditing tools, preparing you to tackle the challenges of modern technology. If you'd like to join a dedicated WhatsApp community for the AAIA certification, where we discuss, share resources, and support each other in preparation, please click on the link provided below this video. And if you're interested in earning one continuing professional education CPE credit, all you need to do is access the second link below this video, mark completed for watching the video, read the accompanying material that follows, take a short exam to confirm your attendance and understanding, and then receive your attendance certificate. Continue learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.